Hello guys, in this video we are going to show you that how can you edit the bulk and optimize your bulk product in Shopify for the SEO. Okay guys, so here we start. I'm in the dashboard of my Shopify store, which is it's joygood.com, and now you have to go to the product section and it's loading. Yeah, so after this you have to select the tick of all the products, and if you want to edit the selected product, so you can select the product which you want to edit, and then after clicking, then go to the bulk edit section. So it's loading, and here you will get the column section in the right top corner, and from here you can click and check the options which you want to edit, like the description, product media text, etc. And now we just want to edit the SEO things, so we'll scroll down, we'll uncheck all the boxes and only tick the page title, meta description and URL. So guys, you can see that the page title, meta description and URL, and you can also edit the URL section and any section if you want to. And here you can easily edit the meta description, URL and page title in bulk way. So to create the meta description, you just need to copy the page title and go to the ChatGPT and just write here that give me the meta title thing or for the product which you want to edit, and just paste here in the meta description section. And also you can add the text. Here is the text section which you can also add that I have added this 19 costume by George Barbie, wall paintings and etc. things. In the text section you can add the category of your product or the subcategories of your things which you are selling on your e-commerce section. As I am selling the wall paintings, so I can add the wall paintings, wall art and other things like this. And after editing these things like this, you just need to click on the save button and your editing edits will be saved and will be live on the Shopify store. So that's all for now. Thank you guys.